Hey everybody, so for today's video I thought I would do something different. Let's talk about how to identify if you yourself could maybe be a DNA surprise. So welcome back to Client Stories with Amy. Kind of. So you've done a DNA test, you don't know what you're looking at, you're not sure if you're a DNA surprise or what that even is. So just a basic definition of a DNA surprise is you've taken a DNA test, you've identified that a parent is not your biological parent that you were raised with and you thought your whole life was your biological parent, whether it's your mom or your dad, whatever it may be. So if you do a DNA test and you've discovered that person isn't biologically related to you, that would constitute as a DNA surprise. So gathering data from thousands of clients, looking at their DNA, looking at their trees, we have been able to successfully estimate about 17 to 20% of somebody who takes an Ancestry DNA test, they're going to find a DNA surprise within their family tree, whether it's them, a mom or a dad, somebody in their family line has a DNA surprise, and that's 17 to 20% of anybody who takes a DNA test. That's a huge, huge number. So what would be some clues if you've taken an Ancestry DNA test and you're looking at it would stand out as maybe there might be a problem? First things first is look at your ethnicity. If you've grown up with a family line and you see that you have some, say, for example, some Italian DNA there and you know your family's not Italian, that might be a red flag. Or you've grown up with your family just knowing that, oh, we're from Germany and we're from England and we're from Norway, but I have some Mexican indigenous DNA here. What did that come from? I don't know what that is. That could be a clue that something's going on with your parentage or your mom's or your dad's. Somebody along the line close to you has some sort of DNA surprise in their line. Another clue would be when you're looking at your DNA matches and you know your dad's niece, your first cousin on your dad's side, took a DNA test, but you're not matching. You don't see each other show up. That could be a clue that you or your cousin might be a DNA surprise. Another way to tell is if you are looking at your matches and you're not seeing anything, like you don't know that anybody in your family's DNA tested, but you're looking at your DNA matches and you can't see anybody that lines up with any common surnames in your family. Say your grandparents are Smith and Williams and you're looking at your DNA matches and you're not having any type of surnames to Smith or Williams, or even to your great-grandparents' surnames, you're not finding any of those surnames that match up, you might have a DNA surprise. Now, if one of these things fits your situation when you're looking at your matches in your tree, or all of them, don't fret. This just means you need to investigate a little bit further to see what exactly is going on. It's not definitive proof that there's a DNA surprise within your line or one of your parents' lines. It just means you need to investigate further and see what's going on. But that is it for today. I will see you guys later. Don't forget to hit like, follow, and share. Bye, guys.